Which RC car will win the Bumper Cars BattleBots? Will it be the Cat Squad or the Rat Squad? Let's begin. And the driver has been popped out of the vehicle. And now they're just pulling off the tango. Are they gaining speed?
Finish him!
Round 2, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I think you're driving and you're hitting your zip ties. Yeah, you're rubbing on the zip ties, that's what it is. Knockout! It's not over yet. Well, Rat Squad is stuck. Can you get off? Ooh, that was close. There goes the weapon! So, because the Cat Squad disarmed the Rat Squad, this round goes to the Cats. Round 3. Whichever bot wins this battle wins the whole video. Let's continue. Begin! I don't like this. Holy cow. Instant kill. The driver is falling out. Driver's dead. Well, the Cats team definitely came back with the comeback.